that keep continue. We're gonna finish the loop and then everything else. I'm gonna let you finish all of them like example or some exercise inside that lesson paper. You're gonna finish it by yourself. Then next week we're gonna move into the array and function. Got it? So we take a little time on those one. We're gonna spend more time on GUI, like the graphic one that we design, have button, have frame, have anything else that we can click, we can be able to show up the data like that. Okay, so now loop. Okay, let me got the four type of loop that we're gonna learn. Like the first one, yesterday we already learned for loop. Okay, so for loop we got syntax like this one. We call the alpha and plus like that. We're gonna show up like hello. Okay, the three elements that are important in loop is start, stop, and step. Like start, we can call it like initialize one, the initialize value. The stop is the condition that we end up the loop. Okay, the step one is talking about the update value, how we update it. Okay, and the first one is for loop, so we can treat like for loop is got start here, start here, and stop here, and then this one is the step. Got it? And the inside this one is statement. We can call it like statement. So for loop start with the start point like this one. So we got e equal with 0 like that, and then after that we're gonna go to the stop point. Okay, so we check condition 0 smaller than 5. Is that true or false? This is true, right? So when we check the condition and it is true, it's gonna do the statement. Got it? So this one we got hello one time. After it done the statement, we're gonna go up into the step update the value. So we got e plus. So this one is increment sign. Increment sign, you mean like e gonna be increase one value. Got it? So the first one is 0, increase 1 equal 1. Got it? After step, we're gonna go to stop again. Got it? So we check it 1 smaller than 5, true or false? True. We're gonna do the statement again. So we got 2 times of hello. Got it? So I'm gonna show you the flow again. Start, stop, statement, step, stop, statement, step, stop, statement, step, stop, until the stop are false. Got it? So we start with start 0, 0 smaller than 5, true. We do it 1, and then we go to step it up to 1, and we keep checking 1 smaller than 5, true. Do the statement, keep doing it like 2 smaller than 5, keep true. So 3 smaller than 5, keep true. So do the 4 time, upgrade into 4 smaller than 5, so it keep true. So the 5 smaller than 5 is true or false? It's false, right? So it doesn't do anymore hello. It's gonna stop. Got it? So based on this one, we can count like hello is gonna work 5 times. You got it? Okay, this is for loop. I'm not gonna talking anymore. We move into while loop. Okay, I got in j equal with 0 while j is smaller than 5. The system out the word high and j plus. So based on this one, can you note it like where is the starting point? Starting point is here, start. This one is stop. Okay, and this one is step, and this statement. Got it? So this one also does work as well as the for loop too. So you're gonna start. Okay, we got C equal with 0 and then stop. 0 is smaller than 5. True or false? So true or false? True. Got it? So is it true? It's gonna do everything in that curly brace. Got it? So this one is gonna work high one time and then step C plus 3. The first value of it, previous value of it is 0. So when it increase 1, it's gonna be turned into 1. Got it? And after the step, it's gonna turn into stop again. Got it? So 1. It's 1 smaller than 5, keep true. So this works second time. Increase to 2, 2 smaller than 5, work third time. And this one turn into the 3, 3 smaller than 5, keep true. So it work 4 times. And this turn into 4. Okay, 4 keep smaller than 5, keep true. So they work 5 times, and this turn into the 5, 5 smaller than 5. Is it true or not? No, false. So I'm gonna stop. Got it? Yesterday I also told you about zero loop. So zero loop, what is zero loop? I mean like when 4 in E equal is zone, and the first they start and the first you check the condition, it already 4. So I mean like it doesn't work anytime. This one. So this one we call it zero loop, right? And another one I already told you about it too, like infinite loop. Infinite loop, I mean like it keep true every time, just like that. It gotta work infinitely. Got it? So this is also does in one loop also have zero loop also does. It can be like z equal to 0 and then 1. Z is bigger than 0. We gotta work like like this one. C plus. Can you tell me like see this one is also zero loop. It's not gonna work, okay? But this one also have infinite loop too. This one so like 10 like that, gonna infinite too. Got it? And you see the difference between 4 and 1. What is the difference between these two things? So you thought like the difference between the 4 and 1 loop is the location of start and stop, right? You can see this one is start, stop, and then statement, and then step. So we work and then we upgrade the value. Got it? But this one you can do like this one. So upgrade the value first and then work. See, this is the difference between them. Got it? But when you learn a little bit more, both of these loop are the same. I mean like for loop and while loop are the same, much more the same. You can use which one is based on you, up to you. For loop is okay, while loop is okay too. I mean like this one you can use like that. I can separate it into this one. I cut it and put it here, and this one I can cut it too and put it here. So this one also upgrade first and then statement first. This is also the syntax of for loop. I mean like initialize in the upper, and then just only condition in the middle, and then statement inside that for too. So you can see they both are the same. Got it? So if they ask you about like what is the difference between for loop and while loop, you can just explain like the location of that start, stop, step, point, just like that. Like you can just say like they both are the same, and you explain this thing to them, they're gonna understand it well. Got it? So mostly we didn't compare for loop with while loop, but we compare for loop with do while loop. Got it? Okay. So I'm gonna screenshot this one and we move to the do while loop one, and I hope you understand it. If you got any question, you can ask me. Okay, keep continue. That move to the do while loop one. So we got for loop, we got while loop, and I told you already like they both are the same. So you don't need to compare. The one that you need to notice about is do while loop. Okay, do while loop we got syntax like this one. C start with 0 and then 2 the val, and then C is bigger than 0. System out of print hello 1 like that, and C plus. Can you tell me like how many times this gonna work? So maybe you like, okay, I don't even know how it works. So this is the starting point, and this is the statement, okay, and this is the state, and this is the start point. Got it? Okay. So double loop are different from the both loop that we used to learn previously. Like these both are checking the condition first and then work. So if the condition is false, it's not gonna work. We call it like zero loop, like that. You remember about it? But this one double loop is different. Like it gonna work first. Like do the statement first. The keyword do it mean like we do the statement first and then we check the condition after that. So can you see like this one, C equal with 0, so we got C equal with 0, and then after that we gonna got hello one time, we do the hello one time, and then we upgrade that C into 1, and then we check the condition 1 is small is bigger than 0. Is it true or false? True. If it's true like that, it's gonna go up here and then do it again. 2 equal, and this keep true, so it is 2 3 keep true like that. It's gonna turn into 4, then 4, and then 4 bigger than, so and keep true. Do it again and again until it stop. Like what this is not gonna stop, so we call it like this one. We call it, can you remember it? Yeah, infinite. Yeah, infinite. Infinite it means like non limited. What? Yeah, it doesn't check it. I mean like do it first and then check it later. So the 0 1 we didn't check it. Got it? Can you see this one? You understand about it? So I mean like we do the statement, we upgrade the value, and then we check the condition, and then we redo it again if the condition is true. Got it? So I mean like do the statement first and then check the condition after that. But for loop and while loop, we check the condition first and do the statement after that. Got it? Okay. So if I put it like this one, okay. So I put it like this one. Okay. Can you tell me like how many times I gonna work? Okay. Wait. Just like this one. Okay. I'm gonna copy it and do another one below this one. So I start with 0, also dash, 0, so dash, and this one I put it like smaller than. Okay, can you tell me how many times it's gonna work? Like this one is start with 0, and then it's gonna work with 1, and then turn into 1 and 1. Smaller than 0. Is it true or false? False. So it go up and do it again or not? No, it's gonna stop. You can see this one. So I'm gonna tell you like, although the condition is false, but at least it do hello 1. So can you tell me like, does do one loop got 0 loop or not? No, never. It's not gonna happen because it do it first. So at least it have 1 done. So is there any 0 loop in do one loop? No. But for loop and while loop we got 0 loop. Got it? Okay. That's all the different. If you got any question, you can ask. But if you're not, okay, we keep continue to the last one. And if we done our course, we done our class. I'm sorry for that. No. Okay, I'm gonna finish this one. Okay, let's do it one more. The last one for loop. Okay, for loop we use only for collection, type of collection and array one. So we don't know about collection yet, so we just use it with the array one first. Okay, got it? So I'm gonna like, okay, array, the sign of it is like this one, bracket. We use bracket to sign of array, got it? To represent of array, so in AR like that. And gotta put like 12, Okay, 21, 32, 56, like that. Okay. Normally we use this one to output it in E equal result 5 E plus like that. I'm gonna show up like A or E, just like that. Got it? You're gonna see the result of it. Gonna show every one of it. See, this is the result of it. It's gonna show every number of it, like that. So you can see it. Okay. For each loop we can use like this one. For each what does it mean? Each it means each one, right? Each one it means like one by one, just like that. Okay, for it we use like that for, and then we create another number or another variable like item, and then we put it from array. So the design mean like item gonna get one by one from array. Got it? So what you need to do is just show the item, just like that, and then it's gonna show the way that we use index 2. This one is using index. Okay. This one is use for each loop. So you can see this one. Okay, I'm gonna explain this again. I mean, like you create another variable. Everything is up to you. You can create anything that up to you. Like I will create item like that, and then I use this one. Design, you mean like our item gonna get one by one from AR. So AR we got 5. So you're gonna give one to item, and then we display it. After that, give another one to item and display it. And item gonna get all of them, like get 12, and I get 21, get 32, get 45, get 56, and then after that it got nothing to get more, so that loop is end up to. So I mean like get one by one until no more to get, so it end up the loop. Got it? So the value of it gonna stay inside that item. I'm gonna explain it again. This variable we create by ourselves, so you can name it anyway based on yourself, like each one. You want to name it each like that, it's okay and up to you. And you design, I mean like it gonna go to catch up one by one value from the AR. Got it? So in AR we got 5 values, so each gonna get 12, and then verb 1. Okay, each gonna get 21 verb 1, it gonna get 32 verb 1, it gonna get 45 verb 1, it gonna get 56, and then verb 1 2. After that no more to get, so the loop stop working 2. Got it? So I'm gonna run it again, and it's gonna show like this one. See, the same way that we use index. Below we use index, and this one we didn't use index, we use for each loop. Got it? So this is for each loop, and nothing much, just like that. When we learn into the collection, we're gonna show up the for each loop more, but now no more, just like that. Just know about it. Got it? Okay, that's all for the loop.